Hello everyone. This is the last video lecture of our AutoCAD basic series. From the next video onward, we will learn the AutoCAD in advance. We will start a real project and draw from a basic to advance. Okay. In this video, we will learn some basic things about the modify command. Okay. In our previous video, we have already seen how to draw line in two different ways, how to draw polyline, how to implement arc in the polyline, how to draw circle from 2 point method, 3 point method, and so on. Okay, in this video we will learn about modify command. Means in a we have just taken an example of a simple drawing. I just want to modify something. As you can see, the name of our command is modify. Means I have already drawn something in our AutoCAD and I want to modify, means alter something. Okay, so we will use modify command. You should know there are certain things in modify command. First is move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, and scale. Okay, and there are certain thing that is cut, fillet, and array command. 12 command in the modify. Okay, so we will learn these all step by step. These are the simple command and we will learn it easily. Okay, just for example, you have drawn a door here, okay, but you want to move the door from this position to that position. How you can do that? Okay, written a text here and I want to move this text from this position to some another position in this drawing. Okay, anywhere. Then you just have to select by clicking the left click of the mouse button and select move command from the modify tool. Okay, and just anywhere as a reference and start moving it. In our first video, we have seen about the ortho command, means F8 command or this icon. If you turned on this icon, you can only move this particular element in X and Y direction. But if you turn off this ortho, then you can move your element anywhere in this drawing. Okay, and just select your location and again click left. You can also activate move command by the shortcut key. Just enter M, enter, then the move command will be activated and it is asking for to select your object. Okay, then just click on this and press enter again, and this is asking you for the reference point. Then select anywhere as your reference point and start moving, and just place your element at the required position and just click left of your mouse button, then the element will be moved here. Okay, in and then the second is the copy command. The copy and move command, as you can see, this will copy your element without moving its original position. Okay, then just click on it and do the same thing, that is press enter. This will also ask you for the reference point. You just select a reference and copy your element anywhere you want. Okay, in copy command you can also check the array command here. Okay, just measure the distance for your reference. This is of 300 mm. Okay, you want to draw a stair of 300 mm from here to here, so it is very tedious task to draw a line by line, means draw a single line from here to here. So what you will do, you will just select a single line and click offset. Offset means the same line will be drawn at a particular distance. Okay, then click on offset and define your distance, means 300. Enter, select the object and click left of your mouse. Then this drawing is being offsetted from this position to this position. Okay, and now you want to use array command from your copy command. Then what you have to do, just activate copy command. For this the shortcut key is CO, enter, and select the object, press enter, click on the reference point, and here you can see the array is activated. Okay, sorry, the array is shown here. To activate this, just press A, enter, and now you have to give the number of item you want to array, means how many stairs will be there, how many the line of stair will be there. Then you just enter 13, enter, and what is the distance of the array, then just click here 300. Then the line will be drawn from here to here. You can just see. Okay, just repeat this step again to learn in a better way. Click copy or CO enter, select object, press enter and click reference base point. Okay, and then activate array command. Okay, A enter, number of item 13. I want to draw 13 number of element. Press enter, and this is asking you for distance between the two position. Then just click 300, enter, and it's done. You can check it. Okay, I have to draw that. So you learn two command: move command, copy command, and array in copy command. Okay, move command, you have to move the element from one position to another position. Copy command, you can copy your element from one position to another position. And array command, in copy command you have seen this step. Okay, and now the second thing is a stretch command. Then to activate a stretch command, you can just type the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key for stretch? Then F1. Okay, to stretch a element, what I have to do, just select the object, stretch from here to here. This will be stretched. And the rotate command, you simply understand how to use rotate command. If you want to rotate this object, then just click it, click on rotate command and click here, and yes, you can see the object is being rotated. Okay, I want to rotate this element text, then click the element, click on rotate command, click the base point and type the angle you want to rotate. Means I want to rotate at 80 degree, then click 80 and press enter. The object is rotated at 80 degree. Okay, and mirror command is the most common and you will use in the drawing door and window. Okay, mirror command, how to use mirror command, just click the object, click on mirror command and draw the mirror line. Means if you want to draw the mirror line, means from the base point you have to draw a line which will act as a mirror in the AutoCAD. Okay, if you don't understand, then watch this. You click this waiting area as an element, click on mirror command and I want to draw this. Means this line will act as a mirror. And now the AutoCAD will ask me, would you like to erase source object? If you click on yes, then this object will be deleted. If you click on no, then this object will not be deleted. Here I want to click yes. Then one object will be deleted and the new element will stay here. Okay, and the last is a scale. A scale is the simple, just click on a scale, click on element, press enter and click any point as a reference and start scaling here. Okay, means if you want to increase or decrease the size of element, then you use a scale command. Cut command is also simple. If you want to trim this line is from here to here. If you click this object and press delete button from your keyboard, then the whole line will be deleted. Okay, just press Ctrl Z to recover it. Whole line will be deleted. Also, if you erase this E enter and press this, then whole line will be deleted. You will use trim command. To activate trim command, you have to press TR enter. The trim command will be activated and just press here. The middle one will be deleted. Okay, if you want to delete only this element, not the whole element, if you click on this and press delete button, the whole line will be deleted. But if you want to delete only the some portion of this line, then how will you delete? Just click on TR enter and select the object you want to delete. Okay, in such a way trim command will act. Okay, and the fillet command is also a simple thing. Fillet command just smoothen your corners. Click on fillet, click on radius or press R enter Radius will be 1000. Enter. First line and the second line. Corner will be rounded off or smoothen. Okay. And array is the very simple thing. If you have drawn any element in the AutoCAD and if you want to array this in such a way that it will act as a block, okay, then just click the object, click on array, and the array tool palette will open, and just type here number of column I want to draw 9. Spacing between these I want to draw as 15,000, and total will be this. Number of row I want to train 10, and just click close editor. Then you can see the circle, a single circle has been added into the many different as specified, and all will act as a block. Means if you edit in one circle, all circle will be edited. Okay, so just click and delete it. Another thing in array command is to array any object as a path. Means if you click spline, just a moment, spl, just assume I have drawn a path to array this circle in a path. Just click the object, click on array and path, select the curve path. This one is the curve path. Your whole circle will be arrayed in this path. Okay, and also you can edit your path from here toolbar. Okay, then close array. And the same thing, polar array means in circular path the object will be arrayed. Okay, so we will end our video here. From next video we will start a real project from starting. Okay, we have just seen the introduction of the AutoCAD software we have completed, and from the second module the basic drawing technique we will learn on a real project. In this we will also see the move, copy, rotate, trim and chamfer. We will see in the next video. Okay, and yes, I want to inform you one more thing. We have added few PDFs and books in your account. You can download it from your account and try to memorize it. Okay, thank you guys.